Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 2-seater little car. This thing is so fun. It's a 24 volt and it goes up to 5 miles per hour. But the part I love is it has a remote. So if your kids are off tooling around and they're not wanting to listen, you pull out this guy and bring them on back to you. And that is amazing. Of course, it comes with a charger so you can charge it back up, and this will run all around. I did have to put it together, but the assembly was pretty easy. I mean, I did it all by myself. It was not that bad. It has a nice little seat belt in here to be able to put on both sides of the passengers. And I've got my 2 kids here, and they are 8 and 10 years old, and they're in here. Now, they're a little tight, but this goes up to about 8 years old. It has this cute little trunk in here. Now, I'm gonna let them get in, and then we're gonna ride this around in the yard.
Okay. So right here you have like the honk. And then this is like the same thing over here. And then right here you have the mode button, and then you have the music button where you can click it. And then you have like the volume. And then you have the on and off switch. And then on and off button, and then here's the back and forth where you can push it and you can go back. Push it and you can go up, and right here is just not moving.
So it also has nice little bars right through here, kind of like a little roll bar sort of idea. And then you've got your tail lights and the nice big wheels with the little hubcaps on them. I like how they have these little belts in here to be able to put around them. And then these super cool lights right on the front. I really like that. It's got like the little faux tow track thing right here as well. So let's go right around. And then if we don't like where the kids are going, we can just easily use the remote and back them up. So this is a fun little toy that you can get for all sorts of kids to run around. It's got lots of different features on it. It works great on any sort of surface. Fun for hours.